Looking for the best digital oil flow meter? The answer is clear. The Coriolis flow meter. Here's how it works. As oil flows through the meter's tubes, the Coriolis effect causes the tubes to twist slightly. This twist is measured to calculate the flow rate and density of the oil with incredible precision. With accuracy as high as 0.1%, the Coriolis flow meter outperforms traditional methods. It's versatile too, handling everything from diesel and crude oil to cooking oil, even high viscosity or contaminated oils. Unlike traditional positive displacement flow meters, which clog with impurities, the Coriolis flow meter thrives in challenging conditions. Plus, it offers multiple output options, 4 to 20 milliamperes, Modbus, HART, and pulse, making it perfect for modern industrial systems. The Coriolis flow meter works by measuring the mass flow of oil through vibrating tubes. As the oil flows through these tubes, their vibration changes, and this shift is used to calculate the flow rate with incredible precision. With an accuracy as high as 0.1%, the Coriolis flow meter delivers high accuracy and reliability, making it the best choice for digital oil flow measurement. Contact silverinstruments.com to get best digital oil flow meter.